Those who follow the way and counsel leaders do not encourage forceful strategies or aggressive actions, for such actions usually bring harmful results. When military force is employed in an area, thorny reactions begin to grow. As well, an aggressive war can deplete resources, leading to hunger and despair for the people. Those who are wise know when to stop forward movement, and they do not rule with force. They succeed without bragging, making false promises, acquiring in excess, or imposing their mandates. Evolved ones achieve success without planting seeds of destruction. They do not use aggression as protection, nor do they focus on acquisition for self-interest. Whatever does not follow the balanced way self-destructs. Even the finest weapon is an instrument of harm. Followers of the way turn away from weapons because they are tools of fear and misfortune. Evolved ones do not use weapons unless in the direst case, and then only with calm restraint. Evolved ones value peace above all else. There is no rejoicing in victory, especially if it comes from harming others. To them, entering a battlefield is like attending a funeral. Those who delight in killing or harming cannot truly find fulfillment in themselves or in the world. The way of the infinite has no name or definition. It is not easy to grasp because it is beyond the mind's need to define things. If leaders would follow the way of simplicity, people would feel more like cooperating. However, when leaders insist on exact rules or defined roles, then the natural flow within an organization or community begins to shut down, and people lose their enthusiasm about being creative and productive. Notice how whatever becomes too defined or segmented brings itself to extinction. Thus, flexible management can create less resistance, and wise leaders know when to stop. The natural way is as simple as a stream that flows into a river, which opens naturally into the sea.